So Silver, Gold and Patron members are able to upload a member-to-member deal. Now you do this through the members portal. So again, this is the homepage of the members portal. On the left hand side you have the shortcuts. You click member-to-member deals. These are all the current member-to-member deals. Please do have a scroll and utilise as many as possible and support our lovely membership community. Now, just up here, you've got add member-to-member deal and manage member-to-member deals. You click add. Now this is where you would just populate all your details. So the title, the tagline, the category. So this particular member is print and design. You would input all the details of your member-to-member deal, pop a meta description in, so that is just 1 to 2 sentences, just a summary of what the deal is. It does come up in your search engines, so search engine results, so it does improve your online visibility. Short description of the deal as well, because this will be displayed in the search results. And then of course your start date and end date. Your search results logo, I would always recommend that being your business logo. And then of course your contact details as well. So now you can save as a draft, cancel or submit for approval. Once it comes through to us at the chamber, we will approve it as soon as possible, and then it will come through to this area. It will be visible here. You can manage your member-to-member deals as well through the members portal if you just click this. Currently, this member has no member-to-member deals, but you are able to chop and change and amend them and remove. If you do have any questions about the member-to-member deals, please do feel free to reach out to your chamber rep.